Okay, today we're going to talk about how to make what I'm going to call a fancy fan page in your Facebook fan page. And that's better than calling it an FBML page, is kind of what it is. Now, hopefully in the previous video I instructed to go ahead and sign up for a free Blogger account and to download Windows Live Writer onto your computer. Hopefully you've already done that. One thing that I did forget to mention is go ahead and sign up for a free account at PhotoBucket, and you'll see why here. So sign up for a free account at PhotoBucket, and after you do, you'll have this little welcome thing. Go ahead and click on that, and this is going to be the area in which you actually upload photographs that you're going to insert into your fancy pages on Facebook. And you would do that just by clicking on Upload Images and Videos, and it's going to put your photos down here as you get them uploaded. Now we're going to come back to this in a minute and you'll see why. Now let's go ahead and go back to Windows Live Writer. Now when you get it, you're going to have a pretty generic looking page like this. Now remember that Windows Live Writer is actually a blogging program, but that's not what we're using it for. We're just kind of borrowing it for our own purposes, but to set it up, it wants to have a place to send a blog, because that's what it's for. So that's why we set up the Blogger account. So initially when you set up Windows Live Writer, you're going to need to tell it, it wants to know, where am I sending this blog? So just go to your Blogger account, and when you log into your Blogger account, you're going to need to actually set up a real blog. And to do that, all you have to do is just put in a basic post. I mean, it could be nothing more than just your name or some nonsense text to actually get what your blog address is. And in order to see that, you're going to click on View Blog, and then you'll just come up here to your URL, and that is your actual blog address, and that's what Windows Live Writer is going to want to know. So let's go ahead and come back over here to Windows Live Writer, and I'm going to basically tell it that we're adding a blog account to create this for the first time, if I was doing it from your perspective. And then just click on Other Blog Service, Next, and it's asking what's the web address of your blog, and that's what that would be. And then you would just put your username and your password from Blogger into this area, click on Next, and it's going to automatically link the two. So now you've told Windows Live Writer this is where the blog is, and again, we're not really using the blog, we're just using Windows Live Writer for this purpose. So okay, in a moment, now that you've went through those steps, in the next video I'm going to show you actually how you can put this all together to make a post that's going to work for your Facebook fancy page.